wants to develop effective communicators and leaders in our communities. I started visiting Toastmasters when I was just 17. That means that currently I'm a member for 22 years. I've been a member for 22 years. I was a very shy student back then. I was glad when anyone in my class volunteered for class leader. I was happy when I wasn't the one called upon to give an answer or to do a presentation. I felt fine, or so I thought. After joining Toastmasters and being challenged to stand in front and conquer that fear of speaking to a public, of telling a story, of looking to people in the eye and trying to persuade them of my ideas, I bloomed, not just as a student, but as a person as well. I became more active in student organizations. I got a call from the Record Magnificus of the university. I got to form part of our staff as the PR marketing manager of the University of the Netherlands Antilles back then. I then became the director of the Handicap Rights Foundation, and then I got to be a lecturer at the university. I got to teach. I had my own radio program for 3 years. I got to meet the Queen. I got to sit on the table several times with the governor and make plans to help people with disabilities on the island. I got to do what I love. I got to be the voice for people who couldn't speak for themselves. For myself, when I was a youngster, I didn't have a voice. What happened was that what I was learning in my club meetings, I went out and I put them into practice immediately in my personal, my student, and my professional life. And there is when I saw the power of the Toastmasters program. So if we as members are true advocates, if we are the calling card of this magnificent organization, why is it that it's easier said than done to find people that are willing to work on their own development? Why? Tonight we're celebrating. We're celebrating another club where members of our community, and I love it that it's youngsters, have the opportunity to come and to work on their development. And I promise you that you will reap the fruits. I promise you that doors will open. And the reason why I can promise that is because I am a testimony of the power